Welcome, my friends. Today we are talking about the most important topics that's you never listened before. How we can speak English fluently just in 5 months. So let's start it. Can someone go from shy and struggling to confident and fluent in English speaking in just 5 months? It might sound impossible, but today I'm going to tell you the true story of a young woman who did exactly that. Her name is Aisha, and her story proves that with the right habits, mindset, and consistency, you can speak English better than ever no matter where you start. So grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's dive in. How Aisha started her journey. When Aisha first started learning English, she was 22 and had a big problem. She understood English from school, movies, songs. But when it came to speaking, total silence. She told me, whenever someone asked me a question in English, I just froze. My brain would go blank. She had big dreams to study abroad, to work online. But her lack of speaking confidence was holding her back. One day, after struggling through a phone interview, she said to herself, "Enough. I'm going to speak English, even if I sound terrible." That moment changed everything. Month 1, breaking the fear. The first thing Aisha did? She made a promise. She would speak something in English every day, no matter what. At first, she just spoke to herself in the mirror. "Good morning, Aisha. What's your plan today?" It felt silly, but it worked. She also downloaded a speaking app where she could talk to a chatbot and listen to short YouTube videos with subtitles. By the end of the first month, she had already improved her pronunciation and felt less shy about forming simple sentences. Month 2 and 3, daily speaking habits. By month 2, Aisha joined an English conversation group online. At first, she just listened. But soon she began introducing herself, sharing opinions, and asking questions. She created a simple daily routine. 15 minutes of shadowing, repeating sentences from native speakers. 10 minutes speaking out loud on random topics like, "What did I eat today?" or "What's my dream job?" Voice recordings. She recorded herself and listened back to improve her pronunciation. She told me, "I became my own English coach. Every mistake was a chance to grow." By the end of month 3, her voice was stronger, smoother, and she no longer paused awkwardly. Month 4 and 5. Real practice, real growth. In month 4, Aisha challenged herself to speak only English for 30 minutes a day. She made friends from other countries on language exchange apps like HelloTalk and Tandem. They didn't speak her native language, so English was the only option. And that was the magic. Suddenly, English wasn't a subject, it was a tool. She used it to talk about food, music, life, emotions, and that made the learning real and fun. By the 5th month, she was giving short talks on Zoom, helping others in beginner groups, and even dreaming in English. Conclusion: lessons learned. Here's what Aisha's story teaches us. You don't need to live in an English-speaking country to become fluent. Daily speaking, even for 10 minutes, changes everything. Mistakes are not bad. They're signs you're learning. Speaking out loud, even alone, builds confidence. Surrounding yourself with English makes it feel natural. Aisha didn't use magic. She used consistency and courage. And if she can do it, you can too. If this story inspired you, drop a comment below and tell me your goal for the next 5 months. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell because your English journey is just beginning.